Vic, how does he fit into a team like LaSalle based on what you've seen him play for San Beda?
I think mag-fit siya in such a way na I'm mas nilulook forward ko with the way may slashers tayo, we have spacing on the floor. If he joins LaSalle, what I'm looking forward the most yung shooting niya. Shooting ni Janty. I mean, he has the length but more than that, yung quick release. I mean, kahit merong kamay sa harap, makaka-shoot siya. So that's what I'm looking forward into, especially it adds more space on the floor with the way our offense is run. Yun yung ko. That's what I'm looking forward to have that kind of player na knockdown shooter talaga na di mo pwede iwan. Yun yung pinaka excited ako if he joins us, yung shooting niya sa labas. Sobrang laking bagay kasi it will help us operate